In this video, we are going to discuss how to obtain power of attorney. I'm Sarah Siedentopf. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. So the trick to power of attorney is you cannot obtain it, you can't get it, you can only be given it. Power of attorney is a voluntary thing, and someone has to be both competent to sign a legal document authorizing someone to act for them, and willing. So in the event that you are trying to convince someone to sign a power of attorney, you're going to want to talk to them about it. In general, that's going to be a discussion where you talk about the fact that you're already sort of helping them and that not having a power of attorney is making that job difficult, and how much, easier it would be for you to do the things you're already trying to help them with, or talking about planning for the future. But basically a conversation where you try to convince them that they should be signing a power of attorney. Obviously, please don't try to coerce anyone into signing a power of attorney. That's not good. But it is entirely voluntary on their part. So there is nothing that you can do to obtain power of attorney over someone, as I often hear. It is something that they give to you, and again, only voluntary. If you were in a situation where you believe that you need power of attorney to help someone and they don't want to give it to you, we've sort of got two branching options here. One option is that they are perfectly mentally competent. They don't have to give you power of attorney. You don't have to agree that it's, not the right choice. But if they are mentally competent and that's a choice that they are making, you can't force that. On the other hand, if what you really mean is they're not mentally competent, so they can't sign a power of attorney, then you could go to court and try to get a guardianship because they need someone to help them and they don't have a power of attorney and aren't mentally competent to sign one even if they wanted to. So it is a voluntary thing, but basically needs to be signed in front of witnesses and a notary. But generally speaking, it is something that someone grants to you as opposed to something that you get over them. If you've got questions about power of attorney, need help with this, I would love to hear from you, and thank you.